Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing to the champion preschoolers here at Rockwood School in Rockwood, Michigan. And a beautiful day, talking about diversity, how we're all unique, how we're all beautiful. I love right here in the gym where we did have the presentation today, it says just like this crayon box, right? That we are a box of crayons. Each of us is unique, but when we get together, the picture is complete. And so the idea behind today's message being about diversity, our differences, and the need for human kindness, you can see that image on the screen in the background, that we really truly appreciate and value everyone around us, right? For their differences on the outside, but also on the inside, to know that if we were all the same color, if we were all the same height, if we were all the same person, life would be boring. And all of us are unique, all of us are beautiful, and we have to always remember that. So I did mention to them, as I always do, the M on all of our palms, right? The lines on our hands, we all have the letter M with the lines of our hands. Sometimes a faint line connects it. And I traced one of mine here, it's on the front of my shirt too, but M for miracle, that we're all beautiful miracles, and upside down W, worthy for love, that we're all worthy to give and receive that unconditional love. And so we stress that today through the picture slides, through the stories, through the video clips, and a lot of them really absorbed it and got the message that this peace has to start in our heart. This peace and this kindness is so needed in today's world, and it's up to us to go and show it. And it's so important we do, because it could affect somebody that just hears or sees that kind word, that sees that kind action, right? Or that hears the message, that it might positively impact them as well. So just to really understand that and to get it at such a young age is inspiring to me, and hopefully it was to all of them too. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen here. Check out the playlist here for some amazing inspirational video clips. And feel free to also check out my website, mrpeace.org, the link you'll see to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.